is Rose. I'm from Lifestyle Guidance Center. You know Lifestyle?
Yes.
You can see with the yellow trays and black one with plants in it. The plants that you can eat, some of them you can eat. Some is you can garnish your plates just for decoration. I'm going to show you how we grow plants. When you grow plants, you have to give them love, you have to give them water, like a human being. They eat, they breathe. If you put it in an area where there is no air, they will die. But here, I've put it in the right place where there is air circulation. Okay. You're going to water them?
Yes.
Not every day. You water them when they look dry. Okay? Nice to see you guys. We're going to plant veggies in this veggie box. We start with the soil first until it fills up the boxes. Then we can plant. After planting, you can water immediately. So this is the cave, the chomolia.
Oh, wow.
Yes, this is a very
veggies.
nice morocco that you can eat with meat.
Yes.
You can eat it raw, like that.
Yes.
So when you plant, you see this is root bound, né?
Yes.
The root is too squashed. So your plant is not gonna grow if ever it's root bounded. So you have to push your finger here, you break it a bit, like this, you see?
Yes.
Then the soil is in a box always. So you make a little hole, then you put it in like this. You don't have to bury the plants. Where's the stem of the plants? You can see the stem. There. Then the soil's supposed to come up to here, like this, softly, like a little one, like a baby. You don't have to break it or doing it. Then to give them chance to spread out, you have to give them a space, like 10 centimeter, because my finger is shorter, like this. Then you know that the other one I can put it here. Same apply to the other one. You break it a bit. You make a little hole. You put it in.